Hey there, future space explorers and Earth guardians. Ready to unlock the mysteries of our planet, all from the comfort of your couch? Whether you're dreaming of working with satellites or just curious about how we keep tabs on our ever-changing world, you're about to embark on something extraordinary. Imagine this, learning straight from the masterminds at the Indian Space Research Organization. Yes, ISRO itself. And the cherry on top? 100% free. That's right, ISRO is bringing you an exclusive 4-week online masterclass on remote sensing that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Whether it's tracking deforestation, monitoring urban growth, or even forecasting natural disasters, remote sensing is the technology of the future. And now you can master it thanks to this incredible opportunity from the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, IRS, one of ISRO's most prestigious institutions. Ready to become a remote sensing pro? Let's dive in. Ever been blown away by those stunning satellite images of Earth? Or wondered how we manage to keep an eye on the environment from miles above? Well, get ready to unravel these mysteries and more, with insights straight from the experts who do it every day. Alright, let's talk about what you're going to learn. This course kicks off on August 27th, 2024, and runs through September 20th, 2024, 4 weeks of intense, hands-on learning. You'll explore key concepts in remote sensing, like digital image analysis, where you'll master techniques like rectification, registration, and image classification. You'll also dive into the fascinating world of thermal and microwave remote sensing, gaining skills that can be applied to fields like agriculture, disaster management, and even climate studies. But that's not all. There's a bonus module on the Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS, starting on September 23rd, 2024. This extra module will give you a deep dive into the systems that power GPS, helping you understand the intricacies of satellite navigation. Talk about a comprehensive learning experience. And here's the kicker. This course is designed to be approachable, whether you're a total newbie or someone with a bit of experience. So, whether you're a student eager to enhance your knowledge, professional looking to upskill, or just someone curious about the science behind those cool satellite images, this course is perfect for you. Now, who can join this course? Glad you asked. Whether you're an undergrad, postgrad, or a tech-savvy professional working in government, academia, or research, you're in. This course isn't just for the tech geeks. Anyone with a thirst for knowledge and a passion for learning can jump in. This is your chance to learn directly from the best in the business without spending a single penny. Wondering how it all works? It's simple. The entire course is conducted online through ISRO's super slick e-class platform. Once you register, you'll receive your login credentials, your golden ticket to this exclusive learning journey. All you need is a decent internet connection, and you're all set. Can't make it to a live session? No worries. Each session will be available offline within 24 hours, so you can learn at your own pace whenever it suits you best. It's flexible, it's convenient, and it's designed with you in mind. But hold on, it gets even better. Attend at least 70% of the classes, and you'll be eligible to take an online exam. Score 40% or above, and you'll be awarded a course completion certificate from IRS Dehradun. Just imagine, an ISRO certification on your resume. How cool is that? So, what are you waiting for? This could be the golden opportunity you've been waiting for to supercharge your career or just indulge your curiosity. Registration is open right now. But don't sit on this. Closes on August 26, 2024. Head to the link in the description below and grab your spot before it's too late. This is more than just a course. It's a chance to gain cutting-edge knowledge that could set you apart in your field. Plus, it's a unique opportunity to learn from the very institution that has placed India on the global space map. Thank you for tuning in, Space Explorers. If this sounds as exciting to you as it does to me, make sure to smash that like button. Let's spread the word about this amazing opportunity. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on more incredible opportunities